Here are two examples in one. We want to find out a sound wave has wavelength 0.86 centimeter and speed 344 meter per second in air. Means first data. Given data, that is wavelength lambda is equal to 0.86 meter, speed or velocity 344 meter per second. Find nu, that is frequency. Okay, V is equal to nu lambda, and that's why nu lambda is equal to V, and hence nu is equal to V by lambda. Okay, speed, that is 344 upon 0.86. One, two, 3, 4, 4, 86, 0, 0. Eighty-six one 86, 86 4 344. Otherwise, if you have any problem, otherwise if you are doubt, just see here 86 into 4, 4 6 24, 4 3 4 8 32, and this 2 30. But जर तुम्हाला डाऊट असेल बघून घ्या. म्हणून 86 म्हणजे 86 4 yes 344 and here 2 yes here we get nu is equal to 400 hertz. This value we get in a first example. Now in second given data, wavelength is in a gas is 82 centimeter, lambda is equal to 0.82 meter, nu is equal to 400 hertz. Now find the speed of, that is v is equal to what. मी तुम्हाला अगोदर सांगितलं दोन उदाहरण याच्यात. एक पहिलं उदाहरण दिले, त्या उदाहरणावरून आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, न्यू म्हणजे फ्रिक्वेन्सी काढायची आणि ती फ्रिक्वेन्सीचा वापर आपण दुसऱ्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये करायचा. ओके, formula V is equal to nu lambda, and hence V is equal to nu that is 400, lambda that is 0.82, 0012. Now multiply with 4 to 82, 4 to the 8 and 4 8 the 32. Okay, here are two numbers after the decimal point, and that's why 1 2, that is 338 is the velocity, that is meter per second, and hence here you can write the answer. The speed of sound in the gas is equal to 320 8 meter per second. This is the answer. Okay. Sound wave of frequency 800 Hz travels with a speed of 340 meter per second in air. Find its wavelength. Given things or given data. What is given us? That is frequency. Nu is equal to 800 Hz. Travels with the speed or velocity, that is V is equal to 340 meter per second. Okay, then find out wavelength. Lambda is equal to what? We know formula. What is that? V is equal to nu lambda, otherwise lambda by nu, and hence nu lambda is equal to V. Lambda is equal to V by nu, because we want to find out lambda. Okay, that's why according to our mathematical equation we have taken nu lambda, that is V, and hence keep that lambda as it is here, nu as a multiplier divided with nu, and means hence V by nu. Okay, lambda is equal to velocity, that is 340 upon 800. Okay, 340 upon 800. Eight ones are 8. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. Remaining 2. 340 upon or divided by 8. 8 fours are 32. Carry 2. Remaining 2. 20. 8 to the 16. Remaining 4. We can't divide this 4. That's why take point. Take 0. 4. 8 5 4. Okay, and hence here that is 42.5. 42.5 upon 100. 1 2. You can change it. Yes, otherwise you can write lambda is equal to 42.5 into 100, that is 10 raised to minus 2. आला लक्षात की नाही आलं ते सांग. Okay, and hence 42.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter is the wavelength, and hence wavelength is equal to 42.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. This is the answer.